Hi, this is Joan of Arc and good morning, maayong aga. Welcome to another edition of our Learn Ilonggo channel. And today, I'm making this video in particular because I am reminded of a word that would describe something that happened to me last night while I was falling asleep. Okay, sleep means tulog. But what actually happened to me when I was falling asleep was that I felt this strange sensation wherein you could not move, but it was only for a few seconds, I think. So that as I was falling into sleep, I began to resist because I couldn't move. In medical terms, it's called sleep paralysis, but in Ilonggo, it's called HUPA. So that's what happened to me. It's HUPA. There's another word, bangungot, but it's more like when you undergo a sleep paralysis accompanied by a bad dream or a nightmare. So that's bangungot, and some of these bangungot, so they say, could end up fatally, tragically, when the sleeper could not wake up. But in my case, I'm not sure if I was dreaming. Oh yes, I was dreaming. I was dreaming that this room was full of people sleeping, my usual sleepmates when they're here. But today, last night, I was alone, so nobody was in this room except for me, but I was dreaming that everybody was here and we were all sleeping. I think some were active still in my dream, like waking up, doing their Facebook, but we were, dozing off and falling asleep. Sleep in Ilonggo is tulog, and the act of falling asleep is nagakatulog. And when you're actually sleeping, it's nagatulog. So anyway, yes, I remember that dream, but it wasn't a bad dream. It was just like falling asleep, but with a lot of people with me. And then suddenly I found myself not being able to move, and especially there was this feeling like an energy or something, an invisible energy. It sort of held my hands. Like it felt like two arms as well, holding each of my arm. And then I was like, there was a slight struggle. I wasn't really a strong struggle, like, let me go. It's like just, I was just held by my forearms. And yeah, and then I don't know if I felt afraid, maybe, but I was too sleepy to be afraid and couldn't be bothered. And while I was curious as to what was it, or I didn't know, I didn't want to see it or investigate further, so I just decided to just fall back to sleep again. Just couldn't be bothered. So there. So I hope you learned something new today relating to sleep, tulog, and sleep paralysis, upa, and nightmare, bangungot. So next time you sleep, relax. I was painting, so maybe I was stressed before I fell asleep. So I've been staying up all night and trying to paint. That's why maybe So I need to relax. That's why I'm taking it slow today and doing this video to relax myself. Okay, folks, see you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.